Good morning everybody, welcome here to another video. I thought I would vlog today. It's currently a Saturday. It is absolutely freezing outside. The grass is literally white, as you would have seen in the previous clip. But I have a day full of cleaning and really want to take down the Christmas decorations, so I thought that I would film that for you and hopefully it can be fun. So if you'd like to join me on my day, then please keep watching. Aaron is still in bed staring at me. Get up. I've literally been up for an hour and 15 minutes.
It's Saturday.
It's Saturday, yeah, but
Saturdays are for chill.
yeah, I'm up. I had a shower, I washed my hair, I dried my hair, I did some little makeup, and now I'm just waiting to do the bed and then head downstairs and clean. But somebody's in the way and he's doing this. I'm so great, I got a shower, I'm ready. Yeah, hurry up.
It's too cold.
It's not cold.
It's freezing.
Outside, yeah.
Yeah, go to bed.
But yeah, I just thought I would bring you along for the day, see what happens. I bought some storage boxes yesterday, so hopefully that can fit all of the Christmas stuff. I'm not sure though, because I like accumulated quite a bit, so hopefully it all fits, but we'll see. I'm kind of sad to get rid of the Christmas tree, but then again I just can't wait for the house to be all clean and back to like the way it used to be. So yeah, let's get on with the day, and by that I mean both of us. Do is to start gathering everything maybe on the dining room table, like all the Christmas things, because I have some here on the windowsill and I need to clean the windowsill, so I think I might as well just start putting everything on the table. That way from there I can start packing. So yeah, let's do that. happened when you pulled up. Then I put the blind up this morning. It's so empty.
Does it feel so empty without Christmas?
Look!
Love it.
Looks like we're moving out.
Do you want me to start taking the balls out and put them in this
I don't have any, like...
paper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know what to do with that. I might do it. I might put that in, the blanket.
Right.
And then kind of like, you know, put it in, cover, put it in, cover. Use it like that.
Can you do that again? What do you do? Show us that's the story.
Put it in and cover, and put it in and cover.
You're like a little cat. That's how you know you're a cat person. Because you do the whole. You're secret cat woman. Where would you like it?
Yeah.
Up here?
Right.
Would you like the lid yet?
No, you can put it on the side.
I can put the lid on the side. Sorry, we're a brilliant team here.
Where? Oh, failed already.
Need some anti-Christmas music.
Anti-Christmas.
Let's do some flowers.
There was I actually forgot. I should have left myself. There was probably like a mat thing there, wasn't there? Knitted mat. I'm making some tomato soup. I just cut up some veg and then I'm going to just roast everything and then basically blend it into soup, and we're gonna have some soup for lunch. We actually haven't eaten yet and it is 20 to 1, so I'm gonna make a smoothie for us. We've literally just finished cleaning almost. So I have like a more green one, and then Aaron has like banana and strawberries and raspberries. But yeah, doing that. I'm prepping some like cheese sandwiches, like grilled cheese sandwiches. Then I'm going to blend up that veg and make some soup, and that's what we're gonna have for lunch. Aaron is still hoovering upstairs. I still have to clean the bathroom upstairs, and then we're finished with the cleaning, so we're doing good. We also have to pop to a shopping centre today to return a couple of things, so we need to do that in a couple of hours. But look how empty the room is. It's actually so sad. This is what it looks like. How crazy is that? I kind of don't want to show you the outside of the window, but that's what it looks like. Super empty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to this again. Yeah. Soup. let's see what this tastes like. It looks good, it smells good. Is it going to be good? I don't know. Here it is, our empty, freshly laid out table. I just put out those tulips back out again because, you know, spring is next. But yeah, I can't get used to it. It's so funny having the house so empty again. But let's dig in and see what this is like. Ready for taste test? That's good, I think. In the car, and as I said, we're just heading to the shopping centre to return 2 things that I've been meaning to return for ages now. So that's where we're off to. But yeah, I'm guessing I probably won't vlog that because I literally have to pop in the shop, return the stuff, and then we're not even hanging around or anything like that. So I will probably see you when I'm back home. My camera battery's flashing, but we just got home with the food shop, so I need to take that out and then we're gonna have dinner. It's flashing and I should probably just end it. Good morning everybody, it's now the next day and as per usual I forgot to end the vlog. I literally just sat down to have some breakfast. I'll show it to you. This is it. I'm having some waffles with fruit and yogurt and then just a coffee and some juice. But what I was going to say, I just ran upstairs to get the camera, so that's why I'm out of breath. Wow. But yeah, I just sat down to have some breakfast and I literally realised that I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I'm going to edit it now in a few minutes as well. Hopefully have it up for you tomorrow maybe. But yeah, I just realised I haven't ended it. And I'm not even sure if the last clip recorded. I did like a food haul, but then the battery died. I don't have any plans for today. I need to edit the vlog as I said. And I have another video that I really want to film. And then I'm basically just chilling. So I thought I would probably end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it. As I said previously, I'm actually so happy to have the house like back to basics with no Christmas decorations. It is fairly empty and you know what, it's actually echoey. But the goal for this year is to get some more like maybe furniture and bits and pieces to decorate the house. I really want to start putting things on the walls. I just don't know what. And my friends always laugh at me that I still haven't put anything on the wall. But I just haven't found the perfect thing for it. And I don't want to kind of rush into buying something, anything, just to put it on the wall. I actually want things that, you know, will be there forever. So yeah, so I really don't know. I really want something for like the likes of this wall behind me. And the wall over there with where the flower is. It's just looking very empty and I have no idea what to put on it. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. I also really want something on the wall where the dining room table is. So yeah, a few pieces would be amazing. I actually have a picture that I need to print and I have the frame for it as well already, and that's for our bedroom. So maybe I will do that, make it my mission maybe this month to get that printed and get it put on the wall. But yeah, as I said, I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I will see you all in my next one.